Hello, in this video we will just set drawing limits. So maybe you will be having a doubt that what is drawing limits. So drawing limits is an area in which we will work, okay? So we have to just set a area. For example, we want to just make a drawing of 9 meter by 9 meter, in x-axis 9 meter and in y-axis 9 meter. So here we have to just set a space of 10 meter by 10 meter, under which we will make a drawing of 9 meter by 9 meter. So hope you understand what is drawing limits. So to set a drawing limits, all you need to do is just enter a commands limits, okay, limits, and then hit enter. Now here you can see at command line, it is asking that limits specify lower left corner. So in lower left corner, we will just set as a origin point as 0, 0, x0 and y0, as I have just told you already that what is origin point or 0, 0 point, okay. So here by default it is 0, 0. Either you can just enter here or you can just enter a value of 0, 0. Okay. Then I will hit enter. Now it is asking about specify upper right corner. So we have to just give a coordinate of this point. Okay. This point. It's mean that we have to just give a value of x and then value of y, so it will give us a coordinate of this point. Okay, so let's suppose that we have to just make a drawing of 9 meter by 9 meter. So in this case we will just give a value here 10 meter by 10 meter. Okay, so already we have set a unit drawing units as in millimeters, so we will just give a value of 10,000 as in millimeter. Okay, it's mean 10 meter comma, then again 10,000 for y. Okay, and then I will hit enter. Now the next thing here will be we have to just give a command of zoom all to apply this setting. So I will just enter Z enter for zoom, and then I will just give A for all, and I will hit enter. Now these settings are applied to this, and let's check whether this is okay or not. So in this case I will just enter one more command, that is grid display. What grid display? I will just click here. Now you can see here in command line that it is asking a enter new value for grid display. So right now it is 3. I will just enter a value of 2. I will hit enter. Now you can see here this is the area in which we will work. Okay, it is just 10 meter by 10 meter. So let's check this whether it is correct or not. I will just enter a command of line. Okay, I will hit enter. Then again I will just give it 0, 0, mean I want to start this line from here. We will look about line command in later tutorial in very deeply. So I want to just start from here, so I will give here 0, 0 as origin point. So it will be start from here. As you can see here it is starting from here. Now let's see whether it is 10 meter or what. So I will just give here as in millimeter 10,000 millimeter. I will hit enter. Now you can see it is right here. Okay, right here. So it's mean x 1000 10,000, it's mean 10 meter. And let's check y 10,000. Okay, I will hit enter. Now you can see y is also 10,000 millimeter. It's mean that this is the boundary in which we will work, 10,000 by 10,000 millimeter. Again I will just change the grid value here. I will just delete this one, and I will just go again in grid display option, and I will just change the grid value. Okay, grid display, and I will hit enter, and I will change the value as 3. Now this is all about this session. I will see you in the next.